Plug Power has deepened its strategic partnership with Allied Green Ammonia by signing a new 2GW electrolyzer agreement for a $5.5 billion green chemical manufacturing facility in Uzbekistan. This project, announced at the Tashkent International Investment Forum, will produce green diesel, green urea, and sustainable aviation fuel, supported by the government of Uzbekistan. The deal extends the partners' total commitment to 5GW internationally, building on their previous 3GW agreement for a green ammonia plant in Australia. Plug Power's CEO, Andy Marsh, emphasized the importance of cross-continental industrial-scale execution, while Alfred Benedict, CEO of Allied Green, highlighted trust in Plug Power's tested hydrogen technology. This partnership leverages Plug Power's worldwide hydrogen ecosystem, which supports industrial and energy transition needs across 5 continents, including production, storage, and transport. The company's electrolyzer technology plays a crucial role in decarbonizing industries by generating green hydrogen, a clean and sustainable alternative to traditional energy sources. The project in Uzbekistan demonstrates Plug Power's growing presence in the global green energy market, solidifying its position as a top supplier of electrolyzers for extensive decarbonization. It also puts Plug Power on track to achieve its growth plan, targeting 30% compound annual growth in its energy business through 2030. The company's Project Quantum Leap aims to deliver over $200 million in annual savings, setting the stage for sustainable growth. Plug Power expects to achieve positive operating income by the end of 2027 and exit 2028 having reached overall profitability. However, Plug Power faces challenges in financing its operations and expansion due to its lack of profitability. The company has been burning through cash, with $728.6 million in net cash used in operating activities last year. To fund its operations and growth, Plug Power has raised outside capital, including issuing new stock, which has increased its outstanding shares and diluted existing investors. Despite challenges, Plug Power's partnerships and growth prospects make it an attractive option for investors looking to tap into the growing demand for green hydrogen. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.